Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I am sharing with you you are not hard work. Yes, and you are not improve your English. This is a three reason. You are not yet improve your English. You are not daily practice. You are not daily vocab. Daily learn this the vocab, and you are not make this the sentence. Okay, I only three reason you are not hardworking and you are not talk to English and you are not improve your English. Why? You have not you are not start this the your speaking journey. You are not new opportunity. You are not great future. Okay, let's start. I have only three reason you have not talked to English. My first reason is you have laziness. You are you are not you are not improve your English. This the reason is a laziness. Laziness is the bad habit. Laziness is a you are not doing this the work. You are not talk to English. You are not push your speaking journey. Laziness is the enemy. Laziness is the enemy. You are reduce your laziness. You are remove your laziness, and you are start this the speaking English. You are push yourself, and you are motivate yourself, and you are talk to English. You are not you are daily laziness. You are one day, you are today, you are daily practice, but others day you have break. You are speaking practice. This is a laziness. You are not fair. You're not fair the other people's, and you talk and you are improve your English, and you are start this the your speaking journey. And my the second reason is people at laugh me. People at laugh me. I am talk to English, and the people is a laugh me. You are don't about care these people. You are start this the speaking journey. You are not start this the speaking journey. You are not talk to English. The people is any time taunt for you, but you are ignore this the people anytime talk to you. You are not work for the working this talk to your peoples, and you are not doing this the working and talk this the people, but you are ignore this the people. And my third tips is the fear. You are reduce your fear. Remove your fear. You are cross this comfort zone, and you are not cross this comfort zone, and you are not improve your English. You are not talk to English. English is the most important. Daily you have get this the job. You have get this the interview, and you have most important. You have talk to English. Your confidence level. You have see this the confidence level, and you have get this the job, and you are your level. You are best level. Yeah, you are good level. This is a you are not talking to English. Okay, but you have start now. You have ignore this the other people's. Ignore this the uh, you are not hear me. You are not hear this the people, and you have start this the speaking journey. Okay, thank you watching this my video is a like and subscribe. Okay, bye bye. You can do and you can speak.